can go that. The next drawing. Okay, be ready, Shanjita. John's journey is not kids, but still you'll have to draw the kids drawing. Tiger.
Can you send me the Amazon link of watercolors?
What watercolor, beta? Yes. I'm so.
Yeah, can you send me the Amazon link of those watercolors?
Yeah, I'm so proud. I'm really so proud if you start watercolor. Okay, this is the characters. I first are using the first shape is a circle. This basic shape is the oval. Okay, so make it oval first. Okay,
Yes.
this is the first shape oval. I make it oval. Who knows that I say? Oh, the same pencil. I did this is okay. After the oval, this gives it the character. Okay. So I can make it this. What character it is? This character name is.
I don't know.
Name is. Okay, let's you try first. What's the name? Okay, this character.
Okay, sir. We need to go a little further into the drawing to guess the name.
Yes. Like it's very simple.
It looks like a dog. Sir, it looks like a dog.
It's also oval. See, this is the shape. Also, this is. I make it oval. And oval, again oval. And again oval. And again oval. And again
Oh
oval.
my god. How many ovals?
Then it's make nice, cute. What? Nice, cute. It's nice, cute like stationery.
What?
Yeah. This character name, anybody tell that?
Don't know, sir. It looks like a dog sofa.
Sofa dog.
Yeah, it looks like it. No, it's a deer.
It's a deer. Yes.
Yeah, it's a deer. What the fuck?
This is a deer. So you have learned deer, how to draw deer. Okay. You can erase this part. The next steps in the deer. Okay. Again, I make it a oval or circle. Okay. I make one circle here. Okay. So this is the body structure. See. This is the body structure. So I can make this. Here is a body. This is a head, and this is torso. This is pelvis. Okay, here head, torso, pelvis. I make this head, torso, pelvis. Torso, from torso, one leg coming, for pelvis, one leg coming. This is from the front leg, it is coming from the back leg. So that's like I make it circle, then I can make one circle, and I make one more circle. Like this, two circles. See? So now what I'm doing, I just add this circle. See, like this. Very easy. I add the circle. I add this both. See, this is two circle is add, right? Which is two circle add. Because head is little, because this is neck, this is a head. Head, neck, torso, pelvis. Okay. So we are making here. Okay, very simple. We are making like this. Okay. Now from from this one's leg is coming like that. Okay, one leg coming, and from here another leg coming. Okay, this is another leg. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and this from that, this 2 leg from this circle and 2 leg from this circle. Okay, so I make it like this. Like this. Okay. Okay, like this. And here's another draw line. Okay, see, another leg. Very simple, not much tough thing, just like this. Only this last part a little dark, and put a little dark. Okay, this is one of the famous character of Disney. This name is Minion. You know this name of this character? This character name is Bumpy. Joanna, you know Bumpy name? This character name is Bumpy. Okay. Yes, we'll start the class next class. I just want to make good evening, Shruti. Barnish is already joined here. Join. Okay. I just make it one border line and then start the okay. Don't worry. I make the border. Okay. You can make it like this, like this. Okay. Hi Niharika, wait 2 minutes. I start. This is the one of Disney character. Its character name is Bumpy.
Sir?
So Bambi.
Bambi.
Sir?
Yes.
Can I use your
Yeah, yes, beta. Hi, beta.
So from where did you start?
Yeah, just now start. Beta.
No sir, first you draw cut.
No, this is for kids batch. It's not for you. This drawing I show for the kids only.